Since I was a kid, I wanted to farm, and it's my life, it's my sport, it's my everything. So I enjoy farming. We are irrigation farmers. We farm with maize, potatoes, wheat, lucerne. We are very seasonal, so we've got certain months where we do less transport and certain months where we do more. All the products we produce on the farm, we transport to our customers. We've got the Flexi-Gold contracts on all of our trucks. The Flexi-Gold contract makes it easier for me. All repairs is done by Volvo, and I don't worry about it. There's a benefit for us on our cash flow, so when we drive less, we pay less. When we drive more, we pay more. Our biggest challenge is roads.
The roads in South Africa, normally in the Eastern Cape where we ride it a lot, there's lots of gravel roads. We've got potholes, and then the wild animals, we must look out for them also. Your eyes must be open all day, all night on the roads.
Well, I bought my first Volvo truck in 2004, and I bought it from Koos van Rooyen. The best thing about Koos is the backup. And whenever there's a problem, Koos sorts it out. We've never had a standstill longer than 8 hours. I think a mistake a lot of farmers do, especially young farmers, is that when they start farming, the money they make, they put into cars and houses and stuff like that. When we started up for about 20 years, we didn't spend any money on external expenses. We put everything back into farming. And it's something we did from the start is we learned to do everything ourselves. We do our own electrical work, we construct our own sheds, we've got our own machines doing excavation and stuff like that. We've learned over years to be able to do everything. Technology has changed farming in the last 20 years, especially the last 10 years. Because of better technology, we're getting better crops, higher production. It will be very important to stay ahead with technology to make sure you'll be farming in the future.